There are more smart devices in your home than ever, and by 2020, homes will have up to 30 smart devices connecting your router. Meet Orbi, a router by Netgear that can be easily installed into your NBN home. Orbi's whole home mesh Wi-Fi system maximises your speed and coverage, so you never have to worry about your Wi-Fi. Plug your Orbi into your existing NBN-compatible router from your internet service provider, then simply connect the cables and turn it on. Download the Orbi app and follow the simple instructions to set up. Orbi will prompt you to set up satellites. The satellite extends your Wi-Fi to different parts of the house so you have maximum speed and coverage. For Wi-Fi connection outside, there is the weather-sealed Orbi Outdoor. There's also a range of different Orbis to fit any home and need. Now you have maximum Wi-Fi coverage and speed. Orbi, better Wi-Fi everywhere.